Hello, friends! Binga and Rolly, we're coming to you. We're going to help you put together a mid-level puzzle today. Okay, let's go. We need number 1. It is 4 corners. Yes. 4 corners. 1 corner this, 2, 3, and 4. Yes. Okay. Oh, look, this is corners. This peach. Maybe this? Oh no, it's not right, please. Okay, maybe this? No. Look, I think so this. Yes, now it's right. Cool. Okay, corners number 2. Oh, look, this is corners. Line this and this. It is corners. Yes. Where is your plate? Corners. Maybe this? No, it's not right. Okay. I think this puzzle should be here. No? Why? Okay. And variant number 3. Ta-da! It is right. Okay. We have 2 corners. We need 4. Where is well corner? Oh, yeah. Yes, it is corners. Look. These corners, maybe this? Yes. Woo! It is right. Okay, and corners number 4. Where is corners? This? Maybe this? No, it's not corners. Oh, maybe his peach? No. Where is corners? Look. Oh yeah, it is corners, and it is right. Ta-da-da-da. Now we have 4 corners. Yes, it is right. It is cool. Woohoo! And now we need 4 lines. All corners with one side lining. This, and all. Okay. Corners now. Peach puzzles with line number 1. Friends, look. I think so. This peach puzzle. This. Yes. Look, it is perfectly. I like it. Okay. This peach. Where is puzzle 6? Oh, I think so. These peach puzzles should be here. Yes, look, it is. Wow. Cool. I like it. Now we need 2 peach puzzles with line this. Line this? No. This? No. It's... yes. Okay. These peach puzzles, maybe this? No. And variant number 2? Yes. Yeah. Wow. Cool. I like it. And well, peach puzzles this. Yes. Look, it is cool. Woo! And these two puzzles with like this. Peach puzzles number 1. No, it's not right here. I think so. This. Yes. Oh, perfectly easy and fun. And we have only 2 peach puzzles in the center. In the center. These peach puzzles, I think so. This. And only 1 peach puzzles and ta-da-dam.
Hey Bingo, you like my hairdo?
I do, like your do.
For hair so rainbowy, it shines. That sounded like Bob's. Ow!
Let's make sure he's okay.
It's cool. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Please subscribe and like this video. And see you. Bye-bye.